Look at you. What are you doing? You being a little accordion bird? Are you done now? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're all fluffy. Look at us go. Oh, we're still doing it. Rio, you being a goober. I can't handle it when he does that. Rio. Oh, you're not letting me stand next to you. You want to be fluffed up by yourself. Look at that bullshit. Look at him go. Look at how fluffy he is. Hi. You done being a goober? Apparently we're done now. Sometimes we just get the crazies. We have to be a little accordion. Yeah. It's my goofy boy. Look at that face. Wow. Sometimes he likes to have his beak rubbed. Goober.